What's up, y'all? Welcome back, and now y'all finally seeing the face behind the voice. So I'm installing this curly unit I got sent to me on myself. This was for a Miami trip, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I did. So right now y'all see this is an old ball cap. I had a previous wig on, and I was like, you know, there's no point in redoing a whole new ball cap, and plus it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. So you see me here, I'm oiling my scalp. Make sure y'all oil your scalp. Alright, and now I'm trying the wig on. This is a 5x5 closure. I will leave all the details in the link in my description below.
It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room. Cause since growing up I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. It's my wish list. I will create a heart changing. I'll take yours and they'll lead us.
And here I am just adjusting the wig, making sure it fits really tight. And I was gonna do this glueless at first, but I had changed my mind and just glued it down. So now I am sizing it up. And make sure, if y'all do like use an old ball cap, make sure the size of it is not showing, because that ball cap was for a frontal, and you know it's 2 different types you gotta do. But anyway, so we're gonna put it down the middle. And now I'm going to clean my skin with 91% alcohol, if I could find it, you know. But I'm going to clean my skin with 91% alcohol. And then I think I did 3 layers of glue, because I don't wear my wigs for long, but I did like 3 layers and allowed it to dry in between. And y'all, let's get into the lashes. Okay, get into the set. So this set was done by the lash creator on Instagram. I'm going to have her information also linked in my bio. Make sure y'all go check her out because she is bomb. Alright, now that my last layer has dried, I'm going to lay my lace down. And I'm making sure that I'm laying it down correctly. And then after that, I'm going to put a band on and allow it to melt and
What you see in me gotta be this everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can't have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me on the dick, don't wanna fit. Right around the world, let me right around, talk to me. Oh, feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body, baby. I got you.
went in and plucked a little bit more, I'm going to cut the lace off. Y'all know y'all do it in super jacket motion. And then I'm going to pull out my baby hairs, and then we are going to melt it down one more time.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AM, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end.
Alright, and then I did clean up my part off the camera just because I couldn't see that close. So now I'm going to conceal my part and make it more defined.
Rather see my whole turn crystal. I can't even find a Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Now I'm about to get into swooping my baby hairs, and y'all, I didn't curl them today because I forgot my mini flat irons at the salon. So we're going back to like 2018 before, you know, the curling baby hairs was a thing. But y'all know I finessed it and made it work. So
Outside in that right outside, two-time baby girl, you know me.
alright, and a little review on this wig. The lace was perfect. The wig itself, it was good. It was a nice wig. It was nice and full. The curls were pretty. I don't have anything bad to say about the wig, but I love the wig. Everyone loved the wig on me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Dreams really good if your daddy wanna save it with the wood, and then mama we could pull up in the woods with it. Whoa, 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 midnight moon make your whole soul glow, yeah. She my pals, me no poppy, yeah. Me don't wanna hurt nobody, yeah.